Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Akmadina Ine Safina from State Polytechnic of Malang, Technical System Majority, Class 3A. So this time, I want to talk about renewable energy. Let's start with the topic that we want to discuss. This is the several topics that related with the renewable energy that we want to discuss. The first topic is introduction of renewable energy. The second is types of renewable energy. The third is potential of renewable energy. And the last topic is conclusion. Let's move to the first topic. The first topic that we want to discuss is introduction. In this part, there consists of two explanations. First is the definition, and the second is comparison. The definition of renewable energy is the energy that is generated from natural processes that are continuously replenished. If energy cannot be exhausted and is constantly renewed. And the second part is comparison. In here, we wanted to compare what the advantage and the disadvantage of the renewable energy. The advantage of renewable energy is to minimize the amount of pollutants and greenhouse gases. And the second advantage is because of the renewable energy, so easy in finding source of energy and endless. For the disadvantage, the first is requires large investment in installation and development. Why it is large investment in installation and development? Because it needed to develop and install the energy required to harness these resources. And the second is renewable energy is also highly dependent on natural factors that cannot be predicted or regulated. From International Energy Agency or IEA, according to the Global Energy Review 2020, the use of renewable energy in 2020 was 1.5% higher than in 2019. And the share of renewable energy in global power generation also jumped from 26% in 2019 to 28% in 2020. The next topic is type of renewable energy. This is 5 types of renewable energy. First is water or hydro power. It is usually used in hydropower plant, and the water is used to turn a turbine or windmill. Then rotate the turbine drive a generator so that can produce the electricity. And the second is wind. Usually it used in wind power plant. And the third type is geothermal energy. The utilization of geothermal energy in geothermal power plant. Geothermal energy is a type of renewable energy taken from the Earth core. It comes from heat generated during the original formation of the planet and the radioactive decay of material. And the fourth is solar energy. The utilization of solar energy is solar panels, or we can say photovoltaic. Solar energy is energy from the sun that is converted into thermal or electrical energy. And the last type is biomass. Is the alternative to solar. Biomass is renewable organic materials that comes from plants and animals. It contains stores chemical and energy from sun. The plant, the plant produces biomass through photosynthesis. Biomass can be burned directly for heat or converted to renewable liquid and gases goes through various processes. And next is potential of renewable energy. The first is wind. Potential of wind is the analysis indicates that a network of land-based 2.5 megawatts turbines restricted to non-forest, ice-free, non-urban areas operating at as little as 20% of their net capacity could supply greater than 14 times current worldwide. And the second is sunlight. Due to the location of the Earth as it relates to the Sun, an average flux of 1358 solar energy watts fill every square meter of space above the Earth. The sunlight is useful for solar panels. That's because photovoltaic requires less direct sunlight reflected from surfaces such as clouds. And that is biomass. Biomass has the potential to greatly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. So, from this topic, we can conclude that the renewable energy has many benefits like to minimize the pollutant and greenhouse gases, and also has various types like wind power, geothermal energy, biomass, solar energy, and hydropower, and so many more. The potential process by each energy also adapt to the surrounding environment, and based on existing sources, this renewable energy is increasing every year. I think that's all from me. Thank you guys for watching, and also the biggest thank you for the Honorable Mr. Iwan Haryanto or Mr. Eric as the lecturer of renewable energy. See you next time, and thanks for watching. Hope you're happy and healthy always. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.